Anaho. I mean, hello. Aloha. We are in Boracay right now. Taka lang. Andiyan na yung sundo ko, yung helicopter ko. Wait. Gab! Our ride's here. Ang ganda talaga niya. First time ko nakitang nahiya yung aking binata. Kasi ang daming mga magandang dilag. Wala akong masabi. Last day na namin dito sa Rojas City. Ang daming magandang memories. There's so much good memories. We ate so much. I'm just so exhausted now. We're heading to Boracay. Hey Gab, what are your best memory for from Rojas City?
Food.
The food.
Yeah.
What did you like the most?
I don't know the bongos.
He loves it here. So when you get to Boracay Station, you need to pay. You need money. Like they have the environmental fee, boat fee. I gotta go fee. Hello, musta maling hapon?
Hello ma'am. Hello ma'am. Good
Thank
afternoon.
you. For today's video, we are in Boracay. Welcome to Boracay. Oh my gosh. Magenet. Pero bearable. Kamusta na kayong lahat? I'm having a great time here in the Philippines. Tahimik kasi walang trabaho. Nakabakasyon tayo. Ang ganda naman nito. Ay, wala palang bulaklak. So, lakad-lakad muna tayo. How are you guys doing? There's birds. Hey guys, so we're in Boracay na. Go check our room. Wow, look at the bathroom. Nice. Look at the shower. That's Megan. Oh, they got a nice shower thingy. And we have our young man in the bed. We have a smaller bed, but that's okay. He's
Okay, access code.
oh, hang on. Yep. TV. Do we have a refrigerator? I assume we have. Oh, it's a safe. It looked like it's gonna rain. The beach is calling. See you guys later.